cake as far as the entire real estate pack is concerned? Would you look at niche markets, let's say the NCR region or the Mumbai region, or are you looking at it from the point of view of which is the luxury play versus the affordable play? What's the thesis on real estate?
Yeah, so real estate has been a sector where we've been positive on. A few things that have been driving demand for real estate overall. One is, of course, this sector has seen significant policy changes, which has resulted in consolidation and market share shifts towards the organized larger players. And therefore, that is something that is clearly visible today. So the move from the unorganized to the organized large players, which is playing out. Secondly, with affordability going up over the last few years, we've seen that demand has come back. And demand has come back, especially in the luxury segment, as well as also in some of the premium segment, where you're starting to see growth coming back in a big way. And with absorption of excess inventory and the demand supply dynamics improving, we've started seeing some of the builders in some of the pockets taking some small price hikes, which also bodes well for the sector as a whole. So currently, we believe that, of course, we have to be mindful of valuations, but the sector does appear to be well placed in terms of the overall demand supply dynamics, which is favoring the larger organized builders and the developers in this category. The other way to look at real estate is to look at the home building segment. Now, this is a segment which has been impacted in the last year or so because of higher input costs, and margins have been under pressure. But as the overall real estate space starts to improve, some of that improvement should start to flow through in terms of home building as a sector as well. And with input costs abating, margins should also start to improve. And therefore, if you look at both real estate and home building as a space, this is a segment which we continue to like and are positive.
Just wanted your sense in on what is it that you're liking from not the realty pack, but the entire home building space, paint, sanitary ware, the allied spaces that support realty.
Look at the allied spaces, the segments that we like are, say, tiles, cement, ceramics. So these are some of the allied segments within home building where pipes, for instance, where we continue to be positive.